Alright guys, it finally happened. Car that I repaired came back for, it's not for that. It came back because this driver is a great driver. So he's the first owner of this 2022 Chevy, I think Trailblazer or something. But it's a 22 and he got into 3 accidents in 2022 when we fixed all of them. So this is his 3rd time this year. And he's a veteran, so I think he needs to get his eyes checked. Yeah. That's crumbled real good in there. Damage here. Amazing. Let's keep going. He must have really wanted the Christmas tree. That's what he hit. And he goes deeper. I found major damage. All right, we already saw this right here and there. All dents and cracks everywhere, and you can even see how the rail is curved out. It's like it's all good up to here and then it got pushed out on this side. And here, from the naked eye, it looks fine. Might be a little bit out, but when you look at the paint right there, all this cracked paint, all these dents, all this little buckle here, and you go look further in, you can see that this rail and this, you can see, let me zoom out. You can kind of see how it's spread both sides. Yeah. All of these are messed up. That's bent. Might be able to fix this, but I don't know. Condenser is bent. That's fucked up. Radiator is broken. There's no coolant, so we know that this is broken. I gotta go after the hoses and make sure that there isn't a broken hose. The intercooler, oh, nope, I was gonna say it looks fine, but it's not. Let's keep going. All right, now that the car is higher, you can see we got more evidence that he hit a tree. That's mulch. And now we can see how bad the rail is. You kind of see where it's bent. Same thing with this other side. You can see how it goes straight and then it bends out. Anyway, found damage here. Got to replace this intercooler. Now this is the subframe. I don't know. Might repair it, might not. But I took cross measurements and it's off a little bit. So I got to figure that out. And we already saw that the radiator is broken from the top, but now you can zoom right there. You can see that that neck is broken, so I need to get that neck too. And so far that's it. But now it's time to write the supplement and take the car back outside to hear back from the insurance companies, because how we work, bring a car in, we write the supplement, we send it back outside to wait on approvals mostly, but then when we get the approval, we have to wait on parts. 2022 parts, yeah, it takes a while to get parts. So let's keep going. All right, and now I got all these printouts. Now, before you comment and say, why did you get all these printouts? I'm gonna tell you that most of these newer cars, they have parts that you can't actually name. And every company names their shit differently. I know a radiator is a radiator, but every company calls their shit differently. So let's say I want this lower valance. Some companies called it a molding, just a molding. What molding? It's just a molding. What the fuck is a molding? So I started getting all these printouts to make sure that if we get a wrong part, it's not my fault. It's someone else's fault. Like someone else screwed up, because I'm really tired of getting wrong parts. That's just a waste of time. There you go. That was a big mess. After I write my supplement, I gave it to the writer and he's gonna work on it. Then we'll send it to the insurance company, and once we hear back, we start ordering parts, and after we get some parts in, hopefully all of them, then we start the repair. If this car maybe was 2 years older than this, it would have been totaled, definitely, because the rails are bad, but since it's a newer car, it's gonna get repaired. So I just have to put all this crap right there. There we go. Now it's time to take this car outside. Thank you guys for watching. It's your guy, Ahmad, Metal Mechanic, and we'll see you in the next episode.